Hey everyone, John here from School of Trade. Today we're going to be taking a look at a long trade on the S&P after we just blew off these channel lows down here. Stop's going to go at 2104 and we're going long 3 contracts. Now the final target is just back up to the channel highs. Now obviously we don't know when that's going to be, so we can just kind of make a guess. Right now if we hit the channel immediately it would be 2109 and 3/4, so 2109 and a half. We'll just put it right there. We'll probably be moving this as price continues forward, but right now we're looking at around 2109 and a half. We just got filled. It tested our entry, 3-4 times before it actually gave us the fill. We're seeing quite a bit of volatility here so far this morning, but we had this really nice channel working down. And, well, they just got a little overzealous down here, right? They smashed through those lows, and, well, you're expecting a little bit of a correction. When you put that much emphasis on a down move, chances are they're going to pop back higher. So that's kind of what we're looking for. We're looking for that move right back up again, back up to the channel highs, to let them reload their guns, if you will, and then let them just push it right back down again from there. But so far we're long 3 contracts, 2106 and 3/4, looking for 2109 and a half. Now, again, that target may move, but if it does come off at 2109 and a half, we're looking at 3.25 points. So at 3.25 points, that's 4 ticks in a point, obviously. So 13 ticks at 3 contracts. It's 39 ticks total. If we can get them all filled, we're looking at 487.50 on the trade. So definitely not a bad thing that we're kind of going for here. But given the type of day, it might take a little bit of time. But with that last spike down that we saw there, it might go right now. We are seeing that quick little pop back higher here, and all of this movement happened as soon as the market opened. It slapped lower. This took all of 15 minutes, which on the S&P is quite good. We moved from the high of 2110.50 all the way down to the lows here, 2104 and a quarter. That's 6.25 point move in 15 minutes. Not terrible. So we could see that exact same correction right back up again, where you're looking for a fast move, another 2-3 candles, and boom, we're right back at the channel highs again. That's kind of what we're looking for right now. So everything looking really good. I wanted to limit in a little bit farther down to get my entry down a little ways. I wanted to buy right off of the channel if it came back. Is a little bit more aggressive in the sense that you might just not get filled, right? But going this route not only locks in more profit as we get the move going higher, but it also reduces our stop, and that was the big key. We wanted to get that stop as small as possible. So we're in long 2106.25, looking for 2109 and a half. And it still looks good at 2109 and a half right now on this candle. So everything looking good, just looking for that final target. All right, we're coming there we go. We got it filled. So 2109 half gets filled. Beautiful move to the upside. Let me cancel my stop there. It definitely took a little bit longer, but again, we are looking for those 2, 3, 4 candles or so to get right back up to the highs here, and we got it tested at 2109 half. Now, if you didn't get your fill there, you're more than able to just hang with it and look for that 2109 half. There's a good chance because we have yet to actually physically test the channel. You'll notice there is no physical test in here. There's still a good chance that they pop right back up again and give you that actual test, that visual test. So 2109 half, beautiful move up, 3.25 points. Overall, 39 ticks. Nice fast little move. Took about 15-20 minutes to get going, but really that's kind of the S&P, right? That's sort of what you expect on a market like this. So 39 ticks, 487.50 on the trade. Not going to complain about that. So that's going to do it. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com, and as always, we'll catch you next time.